Hello, everybody, and welcome back to the Mind Your Newness channel. I'm Apostle Steve, and today I want to share with you yet again another article that I wrote on my Substack, which you can check out in the link below. Don't forget to follow me there on Substack and also follow me here on YouTube as well. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe, send me a gift, send me a hype, and keep these videos flowing and growing so that I can continue sending forth my message and sharing my thoughts with you all. I titled this article, Making Better Art Begins with Creating a Better You. And I came across this powerful quote by George Bernard Shaw. And by the way, if anybody knows who he is, please leave a comment in the comment section below. But he said, life isn't about finding yourself. It's about creating yourself. Imagine having absolute power to create art you've always dreamed of. This isn't wishful thinking. Your ability to create is a unique trait that sets us apart from all species on Earth. You and I have a mighty power. It's in every human being, and it's called self-determination. When we access this gift, there is no limit to what we can achieve. With effort and intention, you can bring meaning and purpose to your art. But before you grab those brushes and start pushing paint around the canvas, consider doing this first. Develop your own personal artist identity. An artist identity is a set of character and behavior traits that align with the artist you desire to be. You'll have to slip back into your childhood persona and play make-believe, but trust me, it truly works. When you take on your new identity, everything will begin to shift. This isn't like rubbing the magic lantern and making 3 wishes and it's yours. This way of being is a process of faith that takes a consistent practice and commitment. Now, start by defining what type of artist you want to be. Be specific. Speak and write it down in the present tense. For example, I am an award-winning artist. My art sells in top galleries all over the world. Major art collectors consistently buy my work. Now, you may be contradicting your reality, but that's all right. All creators live in their imagination anyway. So afterwards, think and write down what type of person you must become to align with the new version of yourself. It's simple, but it's not easy. And here's why. The moment you hope to become an artist or creative, you communicate to yourself, I desire to become someone else. This statement forces you to dramatically change. The problem is your current self will fight to preserve him or her. Your mind happens to be very protective of its current self and will fight any attempt of change to keep the status quo. The greatest work of art you will ever take on is the creation of the ideal you. And here's the good news. You already have all you need to complete this goal. No need to worry about resources, education, or finances. All you need to begin is a vision. All the tools you need to do it will come to you as you begin to act on your vision. Faith calls those things that be not as though they already are. And faith is born out of hope. And hope is the catalyst that makes dreams come true. If you look deep within you, you'll discover this power. Successful people will tell you their good fortunes came through planning, discipline, and more importantly, a relentless drive to see their vision come to pass. You don't find that type of passion like you would a seashell on the beach. You create it from the magic that's already inside of you. The truth is, what we dream of being is within us from the moment we're born. There's no need to go on an adventure to find out who we are. Look closely at what is already inside of you. Whatever you want to be, have faith in it. With determination and discipline, you can create your ideal identity. It's not easy, but it is possible. So stop wasting time trying to fit into what you think the world wants you to be. Seeking validation through careers, social status, income never gets you to the core of who you are. You are not your car, a house, or a job. You are a human being who can choose to enjoy these things. Material objects do not define who you are because things do not last. We are rather known for what we create. Think about it. Most influential people are not known for their personal possessions. Most of us wouldn't have a clue of what kind of car Steve Jobs or Michael Jordan drove. However, it would be extremely difficult to find someone who couldn't name their great accomplishments. We know Steven Spielberg and George Lucas not by their homes, cars, or collections of beautiful things, but by their iconic stories that influence generations. We miss the mark by searching outside of ourselves to find meaning. Now, I'm not saying that we shouldn't seek support. After all, no one becomes anything on their own. What I'm talking about is having a vision which utilizes the power of faith to create a new reality. And having faith and trust in your vision will pave the way for others to believe in it also. This infectious confidence puts those who see your creativity at ease and opens them up to what you have to offer. So remember, whether you make art, write stories, or music, the thing that makes it special is you. You are the center of all you create. So recognize your greatest work is you. Take the time and care in creating an amazing version of you, and great art will naturally follow. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like, comment, and share. I love you all. Go out there, create something great, create something beautiful, and I will talk to you all again soon. Yahweh bless.